Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi. It is Friday. Youpi. Et voici l'agenda, your agenda for today. Donc, vendredi, le 3 septembre. Sorry that this is a little out of whack. I copy-pasted it from your weekly slides, but obviously the space seems a little weird here. I tried to fix it and it didn't work, so apologies, but it's all here. Les tâches du jour, your tasks of the day. You're going to be practicing with TPR, les gestes, la classe touche la tête, la classe se lève, la classe s'assied, la classe parle, etc. Also listen to that chanson de la semaine, lundi, mardi, mercredi, to learn those days of the week. We are going to be looking at our very first actual story. You'll watch the video, and then you'll do a write and discuss. I'm going to say it now, and I'll say it again later. In the video, I say something about a quiz. That will not be until next week, so don't worry about that. After you're done with the Willoughby story, you'll be doing a quick write, which I'll explain momentarily, and then I'd like you to do another weekly check-in for me. Okay. These always take their sweet time. Okay. Vendredi. So, like I said, you're practicing with the gestures. Well, I actually just talked about literally all of this, so I'll skip that. Les actions, here's that. La chanson, for the song for the days of the week, you'll just have to scroll up a little bit. Slide 11. The wildebeest story, also known as branche ou crocodile. This is our very first story, and it's going to be using the expression il y a. You can kind of see it back here. Once you watch the video, you'll be reading along with the slides. I'll be talking and explaining things. Try to interact with it. If I ask a question, if you feel silly answering out loud, okay, but answer it in your head. Make sure that you understand what's going on. And then when you're finished, on the last slide of these slides, these are the slides that go along with this video, you're going to see your write and discuss, which is essentially a summary of the story. So you're going to copy that into the back of your cahier. It'll be right underneath your special person summary from Tuesday, in that very back section of your cahier, your notebook called Stories. So that is the wildebeest story. We'll be doing a quiz on that next week. After you are finished watching the video and copying down our write and discuss, you have your very first quick write. These we're going to do weekly. You're going to open up to your quick write section. That's about page 4, remember, because pages 1, 2, 3 are going to be for your password, les mots de passe. So page 4 is where your quick writes start. So this one's just going to be in English. You're going to set a timer for 1 minute this time. Next week we'll start with French and it'll be 30 seconds, but you're going to do 1 minute this time and you're going to just try to write without stopping. For this time though, like I said, it's just practicing that timed writing. It's going to be in English, and I would like you to just tell me about yourself. At the top, I want you to put the date, then start your timer and write. And then after that, you're going to take a picture of your quick write. So just to reiterate, these are not typed. That's because muscle memory is a lot stronger when you're writing out things than when you're typing. So this is going to be just another way for you to help learn and internalize what you're learning. So you're going to take a picture and then you're going to upload it to your quick write portfolio. So since this is something we're going to be using week after week, I want to make sure it's available to you in an obvious place week after week. So your quick write portfolio is going to be right here. I'll keep it underneath the folder for cette semaine. You'll open this up and you will just upload your submission, upload that picture. If you have any questions about how to do that, just let me know. But I think that it's probably pretty straightforward from your perspective on this assignment. Okay. Lastly, weekly check-in. It's the same process as last week. Going back to Schoology, you have your weekly check-in button right here. Just tell me how you're doing, how you felt you did with understanding things this week, maybe how you felt you did on the quiz the other day, etc. And if you have any questions or concerns, that's a good place to voice those as well. Of course, if it's super urgent, just email me. But I do enjoy looking at this and kind of getting to know you that way. Any other questions, shoot me an email. Otherwise, bon weekend. Have a great 3-day weekend. And I will be back on video on Tuesday. Mardi. Au revoir tout le monde.